Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Made in Heaven in Minecraft. First, you'll need to understand the core concept and what this powerful ability entails. Then, we'll dive into gathering all the specific items and resources required for its creation. Next, I'll guide you through constructing the essential structures and performing the ritual. Finally, we'll cover how to properly activate and utilize Made in Heaven within your game world. To begin your journey, you must gather several crucial resources. You'll need rare materials, including a significant amount of netherite ingots, perhaps 8 to 16 of them. Additionally, a unique item like a stand arrow is essential for the ritual. You might also need to craft specialized components, such as a Heaven's Disc, using a crafting table. Don't forget to accumulate a substantial amount of experience levels, at least 30, to power the process. Next, you'll construct the sacred altar. This structure must be built in the nether, ideally on a platform of obsidian. Arrange a 5 by 5 base of obsidian with a central pillar of 4 blocks high. Place a beacon on top of this pillar. Around the beacon, position 4 blocks of ancient debris. The ritual must be performed at midnight in the game. Approach the altar and use the stand arrow on the beacon to initiate the transformation. Once created, Made in Heaven grants you incredible time acceleration. To activate it, simply hold the newly acquired Heaven's Disc in your main hand and right-click. You'll notice the world around you speeding up dramatically, allowing for rapid travel and quick resource gathering. Use this power wisely for exploration or to gain an advantage in combat. Remember, while powerful, it has a limited duration and requires a cooldown period before reuse, perhaps 1 minute.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.